The 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, remote engine start, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.